Okay, so for today we're going to be using not only TSM but the Traxxas module, which allows us to set the throttle, brakes, several different other features. Okay, so the first thing I did was tried a couple different runs to see where it starts tipping over, and it starts tipping over to about 44% of throttle when the TSM is at 0. Okay, now we're going to try the TSM at about 75%, just to see if there's a difference. So with TSM set at about 55%, it really went around the track really well. On 0, we had problems tipping over. Okay, so this car, we've got the throttle set at about 41.5%. We're going to start off with TSM around 75%, about the same thing we had on the other car. Once again, full throttle, full turn. Okay, now we're going to try it with TSM off. Same scenario, 41% throttle, full turns. Okay, now we're going to try it again with TSM at about 75%, same scenario. Much more stable. Okay, so now we're over at the worship place. Okay, we're going to try the same thing on asphalt, messing with the TSM dial. And I've also got the throttle set for the first couple runs at, let's see if you can see this, at 47%. Okay, that's no TSM. Okay, now we're going to try it at about 75%. But the only thing I can really tell is it's not turning as sharp. That's no TSM. We're going to crank the throttle up a little bit. Okay, I have increased the throttle up to 80%. That was no TSM. Now we're going to try it with about 75% TSM. The good news is the wheel hardly lifts with TSM. Without TSM, flips again. Okay, this is kind of interesting. If you put the TSM down to 0 in a straight line, see if you can see where the front tires go. Okay, no TSM. And that was with TSM. So there's definitely, it tries to keep it in a straight line. Let's try that again. 0.